Hi, it's me. If you don't have eyes, it's me. My wife sent me a box. Let's do this again. Another unboxing. So since we last spoke, since we last did an unboxing, there has been so much more product added to the Herbal Witch Good store that you must check out. And some of these I haven't seen before. I'm pretty sure it's in this box if I can get it open. Gloomy day in Florida. Very rainy, very swampy. Just how I like it. What have we got? What have we got? Honey Love with pheromones, with real moans. Fucking chair. It comes in one of these, and I was like, do I just shoot it straight to my veins? Do I need a syringe? Now this one, I can already see what it is. Julie and I are big fans of Big Daddy Saturn and his rewards, and of course, it inspired Big Daddy Saturn Ritual Oil. Hell yes. A potent blend for discipline, goal setting, abundance, and responsibility. I am currently going through my return right now, and I have to say it is challenging but very prosperous, and this is gonna help. I'm a huge fan of Big Daddy. We love him. We want to be friends. Okay. Woo! Woo! Money rice? Yes! With real monies. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Real shredded money in there. Hey. My love. There's a special gifting here for me. Thank you. Let's see what else. These are new labels, by the way. My love. No, actually, I have to show this because custom oils are a new addition that is now available. So, I have a little something that needs a little something. And look. And it smells like blue raspberry. I mean, it smacked me in the face before I even opened it. Hold on. You can't tell how beautiful this is. You can't tell how so fucking awesome this is. I'm gonna love looking at it. I'm gonna love looking at the bottle. Look at this, it's so fun. Okay, what is it? I love you so much! Babe, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. My day, my week, my month, made. This is another new one, Into the Wild Ritual Oil, a blend to inspire courage, adventure, and wisdom. And I'm gonna enjoy the hell out of this. So much. So much. These are so unique. And I know I'm gonna love them. I know I'm not the only one. Let's see what this one is. Packaged very good because I can barely get it open, which is a great thing. Ooh. I think this might be another custom one because there is no label. I wish y'all could smell this. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love! Okay, now check out this gorgeous thing. This is for incense. So, look. You put your incense here, you shut it, smoke comes out of the pyramid. Look, it's got a little drawer. Look at that. I love it. I love it. That is it for now. That's all we got. There will be more. I'm so happy. I am so happy right now. Herbal Witch Goods, all platforms. No one does custom oils like this. You will never get the care and quality of a custom oil like this. I'm not kidding. Do you know how fucking happy this makes me right now? I'm love pouring out of my eyeballs. Please check out my other Herbal Witch Goods unboxings and my other unboxings. There will be outtakes as always, which is always entertaining. And I hope y'all have an awesome day like I am having right now. And I'll see you soon.